We stayed at the Riverwalk Plaza Hotel in downtown San Antonio, Texas over Labor Day weekend, September 2019. The Riverwalk Plaza Hotel is not directly on the main Riverwalk in downtown San Antonio, but it's just an easy couple of blocks over. The location of this hotel was actually perfect. We were able to walk everywhere we wanted to with an easy access from this hotel. This is an older hotel, but they have updated it and decorated it so lovely. It's very nice when you first enter into the lobby. This hotel was completely booked for Labor Day weekend, and I have to say, the staff, as busy as they were with check-in, they were very friendly and very professional. It is also an easy walking distance to the San Fernando Cathedral. They do an amazing choreographed light show projection onto the cathedral, and if you are in downtown San Antonio, Texas, it is something we highly recommend. I do have a video on my channel showcasing this amazing show. I will link it in a card above and link it in the description below. If you are interested, the description on the video has all the information you need to know about the show. This hotel offers a place to dine as well as a smaller separate coffee shop, which was also very lovely. I went down every morning to get me some coffee from the little coffee shop. We stayed in room 534, and directly across from our room was a walkway where you could overlook the pool area. The pool area offered a wonderful visual of a throwback in time, but they have appointed it so lovely with wonderful chairs where you could relax and lounge, and this pool did get a lot of use over Labor Day weekend. Now I'm going to show you our room 534. This room was very clean. It was immaculate. Now again, the hotel is older, the room is older, but they have done some lovely updates inside. The paint colors, the beds are new, which was wonderful. I actually wanted to take the bed home with me. It was so comfortable. As you walk in, you have your nice little refreshment area, a huge safe, which was a big plus for us, a place for your luggage, and a place to hang clothes. The bathroom was also updated very well. The only complaint I had in this bathroom was where they placed the toilet paper holder. It was in such an awkward place. You can see where I shredded it trying to get to it. There is no tub in the bathroom. It was just a stand-up shower, but it was actually very nice and very well updated. Again, the room was super clean, and I can't say enough about that comfortable bed, and the pillows were awesome too. It also has a pull-down ironing board and iron inside the room. The room also came with a very large TV and a cute little retro refrigerator that we did use. There is an upcharge for the rooms that have a balcony that overlook the waterway. However, this is where the hotel fell short for us. The balcony chairs were in horrible condition and not able to be used. We were able to stand out there for a little bit, but we were not able to sit out there and enjoy the balcony at night and the sights and sounds of downtown San Antonio, Texas, as we would have liked to have done. We did report the chairs to the front desk, and they did attempt to find chairs that were usable to place on our balcony. Unfortunately, there were none available. And this will lead us to our final review of the Riverwalk Plaza Hotel. We would stay here again, and we would recommend it. However, I would not pay the upcharge for the balcony room over the waterway unless I had complete assurance there were usable chairs on the balcony. Aside from being very disappointed that we could not sit out on the balcony and enjoy it as we had hoped, the staff, the cleanliness, and the pleasantness of this hotel gets a 5 out of 5 from us. Thank you so much for watching. I hope wherever you are having a wonderful day. Be sweet.